Hey guys, what's up? So this is a completely impromptu, unscripted video. I kind of just wanted to rant a little bit. A little backstory. I just recently took my Part 107 exam, which I passed. Woohoo! But what I wanted to talk about are some of the misconceptions, some of the misinformation that's floating around YouTube. So when I first started shopping around for a drone, I thought, wow, if I get a Mini 3 Pro, which is sub 250 grams, man, I won't have all kinds of regulations on me because it's a sub 250 gram drone. But while studying for my exam, doing a little more research, studying up, I quickly realized that once you need to become a Part 107 pilot, whatever we call it, that right there means that you have to register all your drones. It doesn't matter what they weigh. As long as it is categorized as Part 107, meaning that as long as your drone weighs less than 55 pounds, then yes, you have to register all your drones. So that right off the bat means that the sub 250 gram thing in terms of registration meant nothing to me, because as a Part 107 pilot, I had to register all my drones anyway. Remote ID too, right? So the second you get the Part 107, you have to register all your drones. And then also on top of that, the FAA says that any drone that needs to be registered also needs to comply with remote ID. So there you go. There's that one. Now, some of you might be saying, oh, well, what about Category 1 and flying over people? Well, at this time, the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 3, they still have exposed propellers, and which are, in theory, capable still of lacerating human skin. So you would have to add prop guards to make it comply with Category 1. The problem is, though, is that once you add the prop guards, it goes over 250 grams and doesn't comply with Category 1. So, man, for me, I felt like I was really misled at the beginning of my journey by all these YouTubers saying, oh yeah, there's all these benefits of getting a sub 250 gram drone. Well, there's a lot of caveats that come along with that. So if you're in the market for a new drone, really do your research. I think the main thing is, and sorry, I should have said this at the beginning of the video, this is for the US only. I don't know any of the rules outside of the US, so this is only US and FAA that I'm talking about. So anybody who's out there looking for your first drone, you're probably going to be heavily leaning towards a Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro because of that 250 gram weight. But do yourself a favor. The first thing you should do is determine, do I need my Part 107? If you do, then I think the 250 gram thing drops way down on the priority list. For me, I love the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 3. I think they're fabulous drones, and I think they're cool for their portability. They're lightweight, they travel really well, and they're just really fun to fly. But if you think that you're going to get away with less regulations as a Part 107 pilot, that's not going to happen. So I guess that's all I really wanted to say. I think this is just kind of a warning for people out there just getting into the drone game. I mean, I'm talking like I'm this super experienced drone person. I just recently got into it myself, just got my Part 107. But these are some of the things that I noticed when I first started shopping around for a drone. And I was pretty much dead set on getting a Mini 3 Pro. But then when I found out, oh shoot, well, there's none of those benefits apply to me, then I went and bought the Air 3. That's a whole nother video that I plan to make, why I chose the Air 3 over the Mini 3 Pro. So be on the lookout for that. So anyway, I know it's super confusing. There are so many rules, and the FAA rules, they read like Greek. You have to read every single word be very careful when you're reading through that, because the language is not very, very clear, and it's not written in such a way that, you know, like we speak normally. It's written very legally. So just be very aware when you're making your first purchase. Do a lot of research. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments section, and I will do my best to try to answer them, because I just went through this and got a lot of stuff fresh in my mind, so it's a good time to talk about it. Closing statements. Just do your research. I say my advice is, the first thing that you do, determine if you need your Part 107. If you don't, and you can fly as a recreational flyer, I think there actually is a test now that you need to take for, even if you're a recreational flyer, but you can still get away with not registering your drone if it weighs less than 250 grams and you're not a Part 107, as long as you're a recreational flyer. But once you are a Part 107 pilot, then you need to register everything. So just be aware of that, and it may change the way, or it might change the drones you're looking at when you know that you don't get all those benefits as a Part 107 pilot. So that's what happened to me. I hope this helps you guys out. Sorry, again, I was kind of all over the place. This is not scripted. I just really wanted to get this off my shoulders and try to help some of you people out there, because a lot of the drone stuff out there is either really outdated or really convoluted. So I wanted to get straight to the point, tell you guys what I thought. I hope it helps you out. If it does, you know, please like, subscribe, all that stuff, because I have a new drone coming, and there will be a lot more drone content on this channel coming up soon, hopefully. So for those that don't know me, my name is Matt, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.